Sounds like all two cylinders are firing just fine. Well, let's walk on down and get an autopsy. Battle damage assessment BDA. Here we go. Walking. And he's got it turned off. Let's walk in here and ask a question. All right. What do you think, Dr.
All
Brown?
right, she runs really well. We've got a bit of surging, so we probably need to double check all of the pathways for gas. There's a little bit of surging. As you high up, it's sort of slow, and then it'll take off. Neither the speedometer nor the ammeter work, but that's not a big problem.
Okay.
Shifts beautifully. The brakes are great. When you come to a stop, it drops into idle nicely.
Good.
So, you know, minor things, but no, she's good. I mean, if the customer wanted it today, I could give it to them and feel good about it. It's a safe running motorcycle.
Okay, good. All right. Good test ride. We will take a look at the carbonizer and see what kind of passages we might blow out, check the pilot jet setting, and just basically rust, dust, and safety wire and kick it out of here.
Amen.